In this short episode of Bringing the Law to Your Doorstep series, I dispel a couple of misunderstandings surrounding the UK Expansion Worker Visa. Number 1. The UK Expansion Worker Visa is a long-term visa that leads to permanent residency. That is not true. So, like I initially mentioned in the previous video, the UK Expansion Worker Visa is tailor-made for companies and businesses that are in operation overseas and are looking to establish a trading presence within the United Kingdom. Now, this visa is only issued for up to a year and can be extended for up to 2 years. So the total number of years that a senior manager or a specialist employee will be entitled to remain in the UK is 2 years. So it's not a path to permanent residency. If you are looking at basically remaining in the UK permanently, then you would have to consider other immigration options, such as switching your visa category. Number 2, you can apply for the visa without having a sponsor. That is also not true. Now, it's a mandatory requirement under the law that before you can qualify to apply for the UK Expansion Worker Visa, your organization or your institution should have procured a sponsorship license in the United Kingdom. Now, the sponsorship license is more or less an endorsement from the UK government that enables the specialist employees or the senior managers of your institution to embark on that journey to the United Kingdom and to work assiduously towards establishing the trading presence of your company or your institution in the United Kingdom. So yes, in one of the forthcoming videos, I look forward to discussing exhaustively what the sponsor license is and the requirements under the law and the various appendixes, the appendix A, B, C, D, and basically what the law says about the sponsor license and how to procure one for your organization. So yes, it's mandatory that you will need to have a sponsor before applying for the UK Expansion Worker Visa. Number 3, the UK Expansion Worker Visa is only designed for large multinational corporations. Again, this is not true. Regardless of the size of your institution or your overseas establishment, as long as the legal requirements are satisfied, your business or your company is entitled to explore the option of applying for this visa, specifically the specialist employees or the senior managers of your institution. So yes, size doesn't really matter. Whether your institution is small-scaled, is medium-sized, or is a larger company, as long as the legal requirements are satisfied, you are eligible to explore this option to establish a trading presence within the United Kingdom. Number 4, this visa allows you to start trading immediately in the United Kingdom. Hold up, that is a huge deception. In as much as this visa allows for the key personnel within the organization to enter the United Kingdom, it doesn't automatically guarantee trading rights within the United Kingdom. There are certain procedural formalities that you need to go through. There are certain regulatory and compliance checks, certain legal requirements you need to satisfy before you are entitled to legally trade within the United Kingdom. So yes, this is basically the groundwork, the establishment of a presence, a trading presence within the United Kingdom, but there are other requirements you need to satisfy under the law before you are allowed to start trading legally within the United Kingdom. Number 5, this visa allows you to bring your entire team to the UK. No, that is not true. The point of this visa is to allow for key personnel, that is, the people who have the necessary expertise, the skills, and the ability to be able to establish that trading presence within the United Kingdom. So if they belong to the category of senior managers or specialist employees, then yes, this visa is tailor-made for them. Now, if you have plans of recruiting other skilled workers within the United Kingdom or even outside the United Kingdom, that is the reason why, as a law firm, as Kingscott Law, we acquire a sponsor license for you to be able to help you employ people from different fields of expertise through different types of visa routes to the United Kingdom. Number 6, you can apply for this type of visa if your company or your business is already trading in the United Kingdom. That is not true. This visa is specifically and emphatically designed for businesses and companies that do not have a trading presence within the United Kingdom. So if you already have a branch or a subsidiary in the UK, then you might consider bringing in employees through other visa routes, and that will be discussed under the subject of the sponsor license, which I look forward to talking about in one of the forthcoming episodes of Bringing the Law to Your Doorstep series. So thank you very much for joining me in this series. I hope it was informative and that you were educated. Don't forget to follow this page and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a more exhaustive discussion and explanation of the UK expansion worker visa. And like I always say, your success is our motivation at Kickstart Law.